Hello student, I am teacher Neha here. I am going to teach you mathematics for year 2020 and 21. So today we will begin with Maths 2 chapter number 4, that is geometric construction. So first we will start from the basic construction, that is how to draw perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. I know all of you know how to draw the perpendicular bisector because that you study in the 9th standard. But still, this year in 10th standard might be for 1 mark they will ask you this question. So it is the basic concept of the construction chapter to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So they will ask you the question like this: draw a perpendicular bisector of a line PQ whose length is 7 centimeter. So my dear student, sometimes they will give the name of the line segment, the length of the line segment, sometimes they will just say you to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So that time the measurement you have to take your own, and the name of that line segment also you have to take your own. So now here according to this question, so they are saying draw the bisector to the line segment PQ. So first we are going to draw the line segment PQ whose length is 7 centimeter with the help of the scale. So in the scale, take a 7 centimeter distance. Give name P and the Q. Now the next what you have to do, in a rounder, take the more than half distance of the line segment PQ. So now keep your rounder pointer on point P and take more than half distance of the PQ, and then draw the two arcs on the upper side and downstairs of the line segment. And with the same distance, do not change the distance, with the same distance. Now the pointer keep on the Q point and same draw the two arcs. And if that arcs are not intersecting, then again do the same method and complete. Now here we will get the two intersecting arcs. So now with the help of the scale, join that two arcs. And now here this line is nothing but a perpendicular. So now give the name to that line segment. Suppose we are going to give the name L. So this line L is nothing but the perpendicular of the segment PQ. So here the perpendicular is nothing but we know that it is from the 90-degree angle at the point of the contact. So this perpendicular L is intersecting that point P at one particular point. So that point we are going to give the name point M, and here it is made the 90-degree angle. So we are going to, it's denoted with the help of the 90-degree angle. Now we know that the perpendicular always bisect. Bisect means what? It divide that line segment into two equal parts. So that two equal parts we are going to shown with this symbol. So here we done with our construction. That is how to draw the perpendicular. Now the more examples I will give you for the practice. And now we will start from the next topic, that is construction of the tangent.